let's code this UI frontend for this e-commerce store. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Let's start coding. You can find the code here in the sandal product page DSX. Other are for other tutorials. So app sandal product in my GitHub. Yeah, let's say use client because I'm using NextJS, and import Framer in Motion and Lucid React. You need to npm install these two. And then sandal product. So I'm calling it sandal product instead of cargo pants because this was I made this with sandals first, but then I changed to cargo pants. So you can just say cargo instead of everything. Description, URL, material, sustainability, and then let's create some mock data. ID name, price, description, image, material, sustainability. Find these images also in the public folder. So if I close this, in the public folder you can find them in the GitHub. Okay, let's add a few more products. You can copy them from my GitHub. Then product card. This is all TypeScript. And then motion div, so transition, everything. So we have div, image, fill, cover, div, and then another like product name, description. We have div, we have another div, we have product price. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks like this. We are making this card only. So add to cart below, and then div. These are some like images, like this image and this image. And then leave. So this is the leave, the second image, sustainability. Then let's go below, sandals showcase. We're gonna save div, title, this step into sustain, okay, whatever, this paragraph, div, map all sandals. So we're gonna map these three products. So we are creating this UI now. So if I go here, just do this. So let me save now. What we have is just this without anything else. And div, our commitment, div, then icon, and then this stuff, div. Let me go quickly. These are just, I will show you at the bottom here. So these things. So let me add the last one. So this is it, don't change anything here. So this is it, we finished. This was the front end. If you liked it, drop like. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below.